Hello, and welcome back to this week's episode of Tech Tips. My name is Lucas Morneau, and I'm the production manager here at Struts Gallery and Fawcett Media Art Center. Today, we'll be exploring the Lumahawk LMX LD312DS on-camera LED light. A small light packing a big, bright punch. So, let's take a look. The Lumahawk LMX LD312DS on-camera LED light, or Lumahawk for short, is a bicolour LED light panel consisting of 312 bright LEDs. Half of the LEDs on this panel are rated at a warm color temperature of 3200 Kelvin, with the other half being rated at a cool 5600 Kelvin. Inside the kit, the Lumahawk comes packed with two Sony MPF batteries, battery charger with AC/DC 12-volt adapter and car adapter, a cold shoe mount, a diffusion panel, and barn doors. All of this packed in a slim neoprene case that is extremely portable. This can fit in a carry-on bag and even a large purse. With that out of the way, let's go into more detail about this light and how to operate it. To turn on the Lumahawk, first we'll slide the batteries into the battery mounts. If you need to remove the batteries at some point, there is a red button below the mount that releases it. Now, simply twist the dial to the right clockwise. The LCD panel on the back will power on along with the lights. If you turn on the Lumahawk and only half of the LEDs turn on, do not fret. As mentioned earlier, half of the LEDs are rated at 3200 Kelvin and the other half at 5600 Kelvin. If you twist the knob on the left back and forth, we can see all the lights turn on, and further twisting shows half of them turning off. This knob controls the color temperature of the lights. When at roughly 4400 Kelvin, all the lights will be on. And at its brightest, the Lumahawk outputs the wattage equivalents of a 312-watt tungsten bulb. If we need to control the direction of the light, narrow its throw, or block it from reflecting off something, we can attach the included barn doors. On the back of the light, there is a pin on the left top corner. By pulling this pin, we can slide the barn doors into the mount rails on the front of the light. Once on the light, the pin can be released. We'll then open the barn doors and lock everything together. Once done, simply fold up the barn doors, pull the pin, and slide out the barn doors. The included diffusion panel can also be slid out this way. And if you take a close look, the mount on the front of the light has two rails. The rail closest to the lights are for the diffusion panel, while the rails on the outside are for the barn doors. To make this light even more portable, the Lumahawk includes a cold shoe mount, so it can be mounted on top of a camera. And no need to worry about the weight of the light. It is a meager 0.77 pounds, or roughly 350 grams. Finally, let's go over the pros and cons of the Lumahawk. The Lumahawk is extremely portable and light, and is a perfect light for run and gun shooting. It is extremely versatile due to its bicolour design. And finally, being LEDs, there are no worries about the Lumahawk burning your hands during operation. On the downside, while it's light, this is due to the fact that it's made from plastic. If dropped, the Lumahawk can easily break. In conclusion, the Lumahawk LMX LD312DS is a great light for such a small package. In fact, I have been using the Lumahawk throughout this video as my rim light. Until next time, I am Lucas Morneau, this is Tech Tips, and I wish you all the best.